Hi guys. So, I just arrived from Sipokot and I'm so dizzy. Anyways, I have this experience, first time I experience in my whole life, I think. Anyways, I was planning to use to commute by the train kasi mura, 48 pesos daw. But there's no train because may sira daw. So di na. And my second option is van. So tingin ko ang van di din avail. Parang wala nang van or wala nang magdadrive naman. Oh, sorry. I was opening this. And so di na ako nag-van. And nag-bus na ako. Yung bus na nasakyan ko, puno na. Pero may pababa pala sa Libmanan. So, pwede pa. So, nagsingit ako. Parang, yun nga. And when I did, parang, yun. And so far, ayos siya. May dinner. It is alang na adobo. And then, parang, di ba sa bus, sa jeep, may tagakuha ng pera, may driver, tagakuha ng pera. Since I was in front near the he kept, I don't know, I feel so uncomfortable in that moment because he kept asking me questions like that, and the way he looked, I don't know, I'm so uncomfy. Overall, I'm uncomfy. So he kept asking my name, where my school, and in some moment he asked my name. My name is Nicole, remember? And I told him my name is Erica because I remember my friend Erica. And he said, where do you live? I said, Stara. But sumakay ako sa Sipokot. So, yeah. Sabi ko sa may spot. So, namali ako doon. I was trying to give false information. I don't know. I don't want, it's too personal for me. And then he asked me, what school am I? And I said, NCF. And he asked, ano yun? College ba yan? Sabi ko, yes po. And he asked my age. And the way he asked, it's pure Tagalog. And parang whispering. Parang it just only asked. And I said 20. And this parang he smiled like, that. And he kept asking questions and I was like, since I was in the bus, and of course when you're traveling, commuting, you feel sleepy da. And he said, parang antok ka na mama. I was just going to translate in Bicol kasi hindi ko kaya siya. Basta sabi niya, parang antok ka na mama. Tapos parang bagong gising ka. He kept asking, I just nodded and smiled. I don't know, throughout, I was so uncomfortable and I was planning to drop by in terminal here in Naga. Bus terminal in Naga. But it's too long. And then parang may one woman, parang isang babae na tina-target niya like, uy miss, upo ka na dito. Kasi parang driver seat may upuan pa for the conductor. Tama, conductor, right? So, umupo dun si miss and then parang dun parang ginawa niya din na parang pag-asking question in a way that is so uncomfortable tayo. And I really did not like that moment. I did not like that moment. And so, nung si girl bababa na, parang in my mind, like, ako na next. Parang, after bumaba ni girl, ako na naman tatanungin niya. So, bumaba na ako since I was planning to stop by in that stop kung saan si ate girl. So, bumaba na ako, te. Kasi I don't really want to experience more, asking of him more questions about me. So, yeah, I was so uncomfortable in that moment. And, the thought of having a boyfriend icks me. Like, man icks me. Except my father, my grandfather, but it icks me now. So, anyways, that's all naman. I really don't like the way, those men kakain. How good.